Have you ever found yourself in a tight spot financially, needing cash before your next paycheck hits? You're not alone. Many of us face unexpected expenses or simply need a little extra breathing room between paydays. This is where services like Beforepay can be a lifesaver. But here's the burning question: can I actually use my bank account with Beforepay? Let's dive in and find out. Understanding Beforepay. Beforepay is an innovative financial technology platform that allows you to access a portion of your earned wages early. Think of it as a smart way to get paid sooner, giving you the flexibility to cover those surprise costs or treat yourself a little early. How it works, simplified. Beforepay typically connects to your employer's payroll system. Based on your work hours and pay rate, the platform estimates your upcoming earnings. You can then request an advance on a portion of that expected income. The bank account question. Now, the big question: do you need to link your bank account to use Beforepay? The answer is generally no. Direct deposit. In most cases, Beforepay relies on your existing direct deposit information. This means the funds you receive are typically deposited directly into the bank account you've designated for your regular paycheck. No need for separate accounts. You don't usually need to set up a separate bank account specifically for Beforepay. Benefits of this approach. Simplicity. No need to juggle multiple accounts or worry about transferring funds between them. Convenience. Get your advance directly into your primary bank account, making it easy to access and use. Security. Your primary bank account remains your central hub for all your financial transactions. While linking a separate bank account isn't usually necessary, there might be specific situations where it could be an option. Employer requirements. Some employers may have specific requirements or integrations that involve linking a bank account. Alternative payment methods. In certain cases, Beforepay might offer alternative payment methods, such as prepaid cards or digital wallets. Always check with Beforepay. The best way to determine the specific requirements for using Beforepay is to visit the Beforepay website, explore their FAQs, terms and conditions, or contact their customer support directly. Check with your employer. Inquire about your employer's policies regarding early wage access and any specific requirements for using Beforepay. Beforepay offers a convenient way to access your earned income early, providing much-needed financial flexibility. While direct deposit is the most common method, remember to always check with Beforepay and your employer for any specific requirements or limitations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.